you.
What's a skank, no?
It's
Is a Mali skank that?
Yo.
Bad.
Yes. Yes, I was expecting to hear some Bob Marley music.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's okay.
No, man, when music hits you, feel no pain in it, in your soul.
That's right.
It's in your soul.
I can feel it. Yes, welcome to Daytime Live. It's Friday, and as you can see, I'm dressed for the weekend because I'm going out tonight. So I thought I'd get ready early, my sparkly top.
But you're really early.
Preparation favors the successful, okay?
True.
Prepared. Yes.
True.
So how was your weekend? What you have planned? Anything?
Well, it's Mother's Day still, so, I have a lot of mothers in my life. So
you have a lot of mothers in your life?
Yeah, we're going to make some moves.
Make some moves, some money moves, yes.
Yeah, well, always.
Right.
Everything is a money move, It's like either you make it or you spend it.
Well, that is true. Craig makes it, I spend it. You know what I'm saying? Well, not his money, but my... Anyway, you get the point.
Remember, everybody, don't forget to connect with us on social media via Instagram or Twitter. With Instagram and Twitter, it's TVJ_Daytime Live, and for Facebook, it's TVJ Daytime Live.
And if you want to be a part of our amazing studio audience, yes, because lately we're missing some of you guys. You're not here. Just saying, go on to televisionjamaica.com and get listed.
I remember also that you can catch back shows via onespotmedia.com. All right, Nisha, let's get buzzing.
Let's get buzzing.
So Facebook is launching a new edition app on its social media platform. Its CEO Mark Zuckerberg announced at an annual developer conference last week, unveiling a feature designed to compete with popular services like Tinder. So speaking in front of a packed crowd in San Jose, Zuckerberg described the new dating feature as a tool to build real long-term relationships, and it's not just for hookups. We want Facebook to be somewhere where you can start meaningful relationships, he continued. We've designed this with privacy and safety in mind from the beginning. Unquote. Well, I'm sure about them. My mother up on Facebook, I don't know nobody I blow up my mother.
That's right. Oh, that's so sweet.
Know.
But I thought Tinder was through Facebook, though. Like, I thought they were the... I know, because I shouldn't tell you guys, because I don't want any of y'all...
I wonder how you know.
I'm just saying. Y'all know I love Tinder from day one. Tinder is a friend of mine. I like Tinder very much.
Yeah, enough people try success off of Tinder still.
Yeah, but there's a lot of crazy people on Tinder, though. Yeah. I'm just saying. I try to not more than...
Enough man bingo off Tinder still.
What? I tell you, one time I was on Tinder and somebody contacted me on Facebook and said, you didn't swipe right for me on Tinder, so I thought I'd find you on Facebook.
Yeah, man, that for
Don't be a stalker. Don't be a psycho. Don't do that.
That for
what? That's not nice.
You must behave yourself.
So interesting. Popular disc jockey Nico Chromatic has died. Now, the selector, whose name is Nicholas Grant, passed away on Tuesday evening following a lengthy 3-year battle with kidney disease. Now, according to a live broadcast on girlfriend Kimberly's Instagram account, he was scheduled to leave the island at the end of the month for medical treatment overseas. Now, a family member reportedly offered Nico a kidney a few months ago, and the preliminary tests were being done to ensure that Nico would have a successful transplant. Last year, however, a GoFundMe account was launched to cover his $50,000 medical fee for the treatment, but he only received $20,850. Now, our condolences go out to the family and friends of Nico, and may he rest in peace.
Yeah, definitely. Condolences go out. This is actually the saddest I've ever felt when seeing somebody pass that I didn't actually know. I never had any interaction with Nico at all, but I have so many friends that were close with him. I feel as if it's somebody that I knew. So definitely, the business has definitely lost a great one, and as it said, may he rest in peace.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear
one
that.
of those things. So today also is Bob Marley died this day in music as well. This day in music.
Yep.
Bob Marley died in 1981 on this day too. So, it's one of those things. Speaking of Bob Marley, his granddaughter said on Thursday, that's May 10th, that she felt like her life was put in danger when a woman saw her and 3 friends leaving an Airbnb rental in California. The woman got suspicious and called police. Donisha Prendergast and her friends Kelly Fife Marshall and Komi Olua Olafmihan, all of whom are black, plus an additional friend who is white, were leaving the home in Rialto on April 30th when a white neighbor called 911 and reported strangers carrying bags out of the house. Police officers stopped the renters and questioned them for 22 minutes while they contacted the homeowner. I mean, see how you go check in and check out of a rental property without bugs.
The Airbnb.
You know, I don't understand. I don't. I'm sure that if a homeowner has their house up for rental on Airbnb, that the neighbors must have some kind of prior knowledge to that. So there must see people coming and going with bags all the time. So I fail to see the reason for them calling the police. I heard that yeah, there was another account saying that the neighbor called the police because when she smiled and waved, they didn't wave back.
Yeah, that's what.
And smile.
Apparently, that's what
so them are criminal.
said.
So 7 police cars strong come by and they were informed that that helicopters were in the air, so they should not try and leave and all kind of things.
What you must understand though, Craigie, is that when you are robbing a house, you do bring your suitcase.
Yeah.
No.
Apparently.
All right, silly me. I thought I don't know. I thought that was how it was done.
Yeah, man. You do it in the broad daylight in front of everybody with your suitcase.
You know what I'm saying?
Your phone at your ear.
Daylight on the phone. Girls as well, like loads of girls. It's just. But America, something is happening over there. Like this seems to be happening more and more. Where it seems to me that the police. It seems to me though that the people are using the police as their own.
Yeah.
Bodyguard, you know what I'm saying? So they're like, I don't like you, I'm going to call the police, and they use it as a threat now. Don't let me call the police on you because you know that you might die.
The good thing though is that Danisha is not taking it lying down. She is filing a lawsuit. Yeah. I'm not sure if she's filing it against the neighbors or against the state and the police force or both.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's
against the police. I understand.
Against the police.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's really good. And the truth about it is, sometimes I'm really sorry to say this, but the truth is, the fact that she is the granddaughter of Bob Marley means that I believe it was picked up by Wendy and it was picked up by some other shows. So maybe her having some kind of fame, or will bring some more attention to the situation that would have otherwise given that situation if it was just me. A normal person, like nobody cares, So hopefully something good will come out of this.
The only issue though, sometimes we wonder if attention is not enough. Sometimes we wonder if sometimes.
But we're hoping attention will lead to action. But right now, everyone knows this happens, but nobody cares, it seems. Anywho, you guys know how I feel about this situation already. So, Minister of State in the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information, Mr. Floyd Green, says 1,674 children were reported missing in 2017, representing a 3% decline over 2016. Of that total, 1,476 children were returned home, which amounts to approximately 9 out of 10 being returned. Now, what we have recognized is when the children come home, we have to strengthen our intervention to ensure that they don't leave again, he stated. What do you think about this?
Well, first of all, like when I heard the numbers first, it was staggering. Like when I heard 1,674 children were reported missing, it was kind of scary. But then afterwards, when you hear that 1,476 were returned, it's hard to say that it doesn't feel as bad. But you know what I mean? Like it's good to see that they were found, and that it's not as dire a situation as it might seem. 1 and 2, I do agree that intervention is definitely necessary afterwards, because at the end of the day, if it's a situation where the children are running away or leaving home, then the cause of that has to be addressed. If anything is to be fixed, or the next year, them just going to add to the other number.
That's true. For me, I need to know some more about this particular story. Like, are you saying that all the kids that's been missing, they're generally not hurt, they're not murdered, nothing happened, they just kind of left home and came back? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I want to hear more about what's happening. If it is what we hear, then that's kind of positive. That's really good.
Right.
But you're right. Why are they leaving home? But 9 out of 10 of them come back.
The thing is, a lot of the issues that we find in the communities nowadays really stem from the breakdown of the family unit. So I'm glad that it was realized and recognized that it is stemming from the breakdown of the family unit, and hopefully we can do what we can to fix that? I don't know. How are we going to fix individual families, though? Like, how you strengthen that?
We strengthen the men. Strengthen the men and the fathers. That's what we do. We argue about this all the time, by the way. But that's okay. That's what I think. I think bring back the fathers, bring back the families. That's all I'm saying.
Well, I mean, all the fathers are dead by themselves.
But big up yourself to the fathers. That
although Mother's Day comes still, you know, but
Mother's Day, we're here. I'm a mommy, guys. That's
way.
what I'm gonna, you know, he's a father. But I love you all, everybody. Let's work together. So it's daytime shout outs, and of course it's Mother's Day. So it's daytime live Mother's Day shout outs.
Yeah.
Craigie, you gonna kick us off?
Yeah, man. We
any good clean, anybody?
I don't know if nobody with good clean ambition there today. So Brown Angel Van Horn says, Happy Mother's Day to Mommy Hyacinth Martin. Hey, that's my mother's name too. Hyacinth Martin, aka Miss Haya. And my mother-in-law, Delva, both from Lucy, Hanover. They're the best mothers, and not just for their children, but the entire communities which they are a part of. I do hope they'll stay blessed up and prayed up with
man,
enough love and prosperity coming from
Yeah.
Yannick V. Big up yourself, Yannick V, and big up to all of the mummies.
Now, Shay Senior says, Happy Mother's Day to my mother, Martha Rowe, and her twin sister, Mary Rowe. Mary and Martha, I get it. I'm with you. I got it. And to all the wonderful mothers in the world, including myself, enjoy your day. Oh, feel very, very special, because it takes a very special woman to be a mother. I'm here for that. And that is from Shay Senior. Very nice. Very poetic.
Talicia Morrison says, Happy Mother's Day to my beautiful mother, Jenny Simpson, my sister, Jody Ann Morrison, and my auntie, Sylvia Simpson, who is celebrating her birthday today also. To all my friends who are mothers, I want to say Happy Mother's Day to you as well.
Yes. And we want to say Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers here in TVJ, all the mothers, Television Jamaica land. Craigie T wants to say Happy Mother's Day to his mom. I want to say Happy Mother's Day to mine. Daytime Live will be right back. Join us after the break. We're out of time, Craig. We have to come back later after the break. After the break.